In this landing page tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page in WordPress for free with one click. We're going to do this in only 3 easy steps. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because I'm going to be making more videos about how to make money online the right way, and you don't want to miss them. Let's go to work. How to create landing page in WordPress. Number 1, how to access, this is what we're going to be covering, how to access the landing pages for WordPress. Number 2, how to create landing page design with one click. Number 3, how to create a landing page in WordPress and build your email list completely for free. To be frank with you, I was watching a YouTube video, and the YouTube video was covering how to create a landing page on WordPress. And I was inspired to make this video because I was watching a video on YouTube of how to make a landing page in WordPress. And I watched it, and the person who was doing this, it took him 27 clicks to create that landing page. Now, how about if I created one for you just like that with one click? So that's why I am doing this video, because a lot of people do things the hard way, and you need to start doing it the easy way so you can get to success much faster. Free WordPress landing page builder with free email autoresponder. I'm going to give you access to a free landing page builder and free email autoresponder. I'm not talking about something that is junk. I'm talking about something that I actually use, and a lot of the top affiliates in the world use, including Pat Flynn. If you know him, he is a top affiliate marketer. So what does it include? Let's go one by one. 1, it includes unlimited landing pages and forms. 2, unlimited traffic. 3, manage up to 10,000 subscribers. So it's not a time limit. In other words, you're not limited to 14 days trial or 1 month trial. No, you have up to 10,000 subscribers. Number 4, free build and launch courses. Number 5, email broadcast sending. Number 6, sell digital products. Number 7, customizable domain. How to create a landing page in WordPress. Step number 1, how to access landing pages for WordPress. I'm going to give you access to a lot of templates. These are pre-made templates for almost anything that you can think of, and there's tens and tens of them. You don't have to create any. They're already there, and you can only just modify them, which is very easy. Now, you're probably wondering how to access these free landing page templates that I can put in WordPress. I'm not going to give it to anybody. To access the free landing pages for WordPress, you must be a supporter of this channel. What does that mean? That means you have to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video on Facebook. Obviously, I'm not charging you anything for all this. This is free. But what I'd like you to do is to keep this channel free, and this is how you can do it. How to create a landing page in WordPress. Step number 2, how to create a landing page design with one click in ConvertKit, because this is what we're going to be using. We're going to be using ConvertKit to do this hack, and it's going to be very easy to do. Okay, the first thing that we want to do is we're going to go to the template area, which I'm going to give you an access to it. If you're a supporter of this channel, you can have a lot to choose from. So what we're going to do is very simple. Let's go ahead and do this one right here. You can preview it if you want, or you can choose it. We're going to click on choose. Then we are faced with this right here. Let me go ahead and just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, this is the landing page. And what we want to do, we're going to put this on WordPress website. Obviously, you have to have a WordPress website. In case you don't have a WordPress website, I do have access to the best one that affiliate marketing use. It's very cheap. Let me go ahead and show you a little bit about it. It's with Bluehost. I think I do have a discount on this one right here. So all you got to do, just go in here. And I want to tell you something that a lot of people don't know. That's why affiliate marketers like myself and Pat Flynn, We use this hosting service a lot because of some advantages that a lot of people don't know. I'm going to give you this page. It already has a discount on it, and I hope it still does because they have discounts, but they don't keep them too long. When you get there, you're going to be faced with this one right here. So you have to create a website. The reason for that is very simple, is that if you're in the affiliate marketing space, you have to have a website. Otherwise, it'll be very difficult to take anybody that you get from social media or any ads straight to the affiliate sales space. You can go with the basic if you want. It's $2.95, but here's the thing, you get only one website for $2 more a month. You get unlimited websites, you get unlimited SSD storage. Here you get only 50. A lot of people don't know this, is that you can have also unlimited emails. So for $2 more, I would go for this one right here. But if you want to save $2 a month, you can start with this. But remember, you only have one website. I'm not trying to sell you on that, but I'm just trying to tell you, I wish somebody told me about these things, because I started with somebody who's much more expensive than this, and they were charging me an arm and a leg for everything I did. So all you have to do here, you just click on select, and it's going to take you to something like this. You don't have to have the domain at this point, but it's good if you did. You can skip it, for example. And I want to show you something that is going to save you some money. When you get to this right here, you don't have to go with 36 months. You can just go with just 12 months, which is cheaper. And you don't need that right here. That will save you a lot of money. So you saved 46%. Again, I'm not selling you on this. You don't have to have it if you don't want to, but if you want to create a landing page on WordPress, you have to have a website and you have to have WordPress. If you don't know that, WordPress is free. You don't have to pay for that. Okay, right now we are at the landing page that we picked. I just want to let you know that you can change everything on here, and there's a lot of stuff that you can do for free, and I'm gonna go over that with you here in just a little bit. But the idea is what? The idea is to put this on your website or on WordPress, and this is what we're gonna do. The first thing is that you want to go in here and maybe change the name. Okay, I changed the name right here, Donut. Then you click on save. And then what's going to do is going to ask you to create an account. Remember, this account is free account, because what they want to do is they want to store whatever you had in your free ConvertKit account. And this is what we're going to do. Right now we are in WordPress. You open a WordPress account because the subject of this video is basically how to start or how to create a landing page in WordPress with one click. Assuming one of the two things, if you already have one, that's fine. If you don't have one, just create one. Installing a WordPress is just one click and that's it. Now, after you get here, you can just go to plugins, and you want to add a new plugin. Add new plugin, click on it. Then you go up here and then you put ConvertKit. When you get into ConvertKit, all you have to do is click this one. I already have it installed, so it says active. You're going to see something like this. It says install now. You install it, you click on it, and what happens, it says activate, and then you can activate it. After you install it, you'll end up with this page automatically. It says ConvertKit on it. You don't have to do a whole lot. It says you need an API key and API secret. All you got to do is just click on this. It will take you straight. Just make sure you are logged in into ConvertKit. Then you put in the information up here and the same thing right here, and you can leave everything else the same. Don't change anything. Okay, from this dashboard, what you want to do is create a new page. You click on add new, and it's going to create a new page. You want to give it a name. Let's say Donut. We're going to go down here where it says landing page. Then we're going to look for Donut. This is the one that we created in ConvertKit. So it's going to appear here. And then what we're going to do is publish it. Now we're going to go ahead and just view the page. Here you go. With one click, you already have one. This is on your own website. Okay, right now we are on the landing page that is on WordPress. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to test it, see if it really works. And I'm talking about testing it on the website, which is the WordPress website, to see if it shows up in my free ConvertKit account. So let's go ahead and do that. First, we got to put the first name. Let's go ahead and do that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an email address right here. And sign up and download. Obviously, there is no download. Subscribe. So let's go ahead and check and see where it's at. Okay, right now we are at ConvertKit to make sure that whatever we did on the landing page that exists in WordPress does work. And as you remember, what we did is this. We did Sam. Sam is right here, sam1234@gmail.com. Okay, so he is right there. He is in the account, so everything works just fine. How to create a landing page in WordPress, step number 3, which is how to create landing page in WordPress and build an email list completely free. As you can tell by now, we already did create a landing page inside WordPress. We done that. And we tested it as well to make sure that it works, and it does work. Now, let's go ahead and go to the next step so I can explain to you a little bit more. This is a must-see video about landing page design. I know you guys that the reason for that is very simple, that you want to make changes to it. I covered somewhere else, and I covered it in a video that you must see, and I'm going to show you how to get there and how you can see it, because I don't want this video to be 2 hours. What will this video teach you? Insert your landing page in a social media, obtain access to free stock images with 1 click. Number 3, change design colors and insert images very quickly. How do you get to that video? Now, all you got to do is the easiest way to do it, how to access the free landing page builder. The best way to do it, go to Google it, in other words, and put in free landing page builder Mark Daniels. All right, WordPress landing page email list flow. Now, okay, we done all this. Now, how does that work? Okay, we tested it. I just want to kind of take it easy in case you're new, what we have done so far. What we did so far is created with 1 click, we created a landing page. Obviously, you want to add your own stuff to it. It's already been made. It's beautifully made. You can add your own wording to it. The second thing is we put it on WordPress. We put in a plugin for ConvertKit. When a prospect comes into your website, the first thing that is going to happen is that, let's say he's going to you send him to the landing page. He goes to the landing page and he opts in. It says right there, opt in. What happened? It goes to your autoresponder, which I showed you. It goes to your autoresponder, and we tested it, and we saw Sam there and the email address. And then what happened after that? You can send Sam emails. You can create emails and send them to Sam. Then the second thing is going to happen at the same time. In case you're an affiliate, you can send them to the affiliate sales page, or you can send them to a thank you page, or send them anywhere that you want to. It's up to you. How to drive targeted traffic to your WordPress landing pages. The traffic comes in. I know a lot of people, they do free traffic from social media. I'm going to tell you, to be frank with you, that's not going to be enough for you to grow and to make money quickly, because the laws of free traffic is slow. You cannot depend on free traffic. You can use it as a supplement, or you can use it as a starting point, but it's going to be a long-term before you start seeing some really serious money. So the best way to do it, and that's the way we do it all the time for us and anybody that we work with, we go to 24-hour targeted traffic about whatever you are selling. So when you combine those two together, it's going to be much more beneficial for you as far as money. The money is going to start coming much faster, and you're going to build your list much faster, and you can sell them some other products as well. The link to access the landing page WordPress is going to be in the description area under section 12. So look for it in the description area. If you want to earn $500 per day with a done for you funnel for affiliate marketers, click up here. If you want to learn everything about ClickBank and how to start a ClickBank affiliate marketing, click here. And remember, this is a complete course. And as usual, I'll see you at the top.